In this video, I will show you how to make a brand new poster design in your mobile phone. So let's start this video. Select poster size first of all. Now create a project. Click plus icon to add a rectangle shape. To add a color like me, click plus icon to add a main object PNG. Set the position values according to me, and decrease the opacity according to me. Fool the steps like me. Change the position values according to me. Click plus icon to add a text layer. See the font name. Set position and scaling values according to me. Click plus icon to add a effect smooth bevel. See this settings like me. Create a vector drawing tool to make a selection of the text. Follow the steps in seeing carefully. Select the both layers and make a mask to click third option of the top of screen. Change the color of mask layer. Click plus icon to add a circle shape to make a realistic shadow effect. Add Gaussian blur effect in the circle layer. Make a duplicate copy of the shape layer. Select both layers to make a group. Set again shadow effect like me. Add one more text layer. See font name. Add effects to flip layer of the text layer. Enable shadow effect like me. Add a bag PNG. Enable shadow effect like me. Add one more text layer. Effect name is text spacing. Add one more rectangle shape. Click 3 dots to make a clipping mask. Add one more rectangle shape. Add one more text layer and change a text A before change the text. Make a duplicate copy of the text layer. Add one more rectangle shape. Enable shadow effect like me. QR code. Set the position values according to me. Congratulations to your poster are ready. Click arrow icon on the top of the screen and click current frame as a PNG to export the design. If you want to learn anything else related to editing, click on the videos being shown on the screen. I will get that for you. Thanks for watching.